Okay friends, today we will learn about noun and its gender. In my previous class, I have explained you about noun. What is the noun? You know very well. And after that we have learned the noun and number. In this video, I will explain you how the noun performs in the form of gender. Okay, so first we will understand what is the definition of this noun and gender case. The noun which denotes male or female sex is called gender. It means that we will study here how the noun performs in the case of gender. There are two cases are represented here. First one is male and second one is for female. What is the male? मेल को जनरली हम हिंदी में पुरुष के लिए यूज़ करते हैं और फीमेल को हम महिलाओं के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, सो देयर आर बेसिकली 4 sorts of genders in the case of noun. So we will study here all the 4 cases one by one. Yes, so there are 4 types. First one is masculine gender. Okay, masculine gender basically represents man category. Okay, here is example. For example, boy, brother, father. These are the words, they represent male species. Okay, so we can consider these words in the category of masculine gender. Okay, I am writing here only 3 words, but there are so many words. They comes in the masculine gender. Okay, second one is feminine gender. What is a feminine? This represents the category of female. For example, mother, sister, girl. So these are the examples, they represent here feminine gender. So we have learned masculine. In masculine के अंदर हम पुरुष प्रजाति को रखते हैं एंड इन द फेमिनाइन वी विल यूज फेमिनाइन, है ना. हम महिलाओं की जो कैटेगरी है उसको फेमिनाइन के अंदर महिलाओं को कंसीडर करते हैं. ओके, थर्ड वन कॉमन जेंडर. What is the common? Common means a noun that has the living things but its identity is uncertain. Uncertain means it is not representing itself whether it is masculine or feminine. Okay, so in the common category we will use the words, suppose doctor, student, teacher. We know very well there is a doctor, there is student, there is teacher, but we cannot say the doctor is a man or she is a woman. We are uncertain about the identity of student, whether he is a man or she is a girl. Okay, so these are the examples. And the last one, neuter gender. Okay, in the case of neuter gender, we consider the non-living things like books, like table, like pens. Okay, so for example, pen, book, table. So my dear friends, these are four types of the gender of noun. First one is masculine. It considers male identity. Second is feminine. It considers female identity. And third one is common. It considers both of the male and female, but it is uncertain. Okay, there is doctor, student and teacher. And fourth one, the last is neuter. Okay, in the case of neuter, we consider non-living things like pen, book, table, etc. Okay, so these were the classification of the gender of noun. Now we will study here further part of this gender that will consider few examples and few statements in which we are using these gender words. Okay, so first we will learn here some words. There is masculine, there is feminine. Okay, first we will start here. This is a word man. This is masculine. This is woman. This is feminine. Okay. Another is nephew. This is niece. Okay. Nephew कौन होता है? भतीजा. niece कौन होती है? भतीजी. So this is masculine gender. This is feminine gender. Okay. Next one is dog. Okay. Dog represents masculine gender and its opposite is bitch. Bitch represents feminine gender. Spokesman. Who is a spokesman? A person who speaks. It represents man. And spokesperson. Who is a spokesperson? A female who is speaking at any events. So spokesperson is a male, spokesman is a male and spokesperson is a female. Next is chairman. Basically, chairman represents male identity and chairperson represents female identity. This is the question, this is the word where basically students make many mistakes. They think that this is chairman is a masculine gender and they convert its opposite chairwoman. So this is a wrong word. We should not use here. In the case of feminine gender, what is the correct one? Chairperson. Okay, not a chairwoman. So these were the examples. There are so many examples. Okay, we can study these examples by following any book. So I am writing only these few examples here. Then we will learn how to use these words in statement. Okay friends, there are some rules we will discuss here. The rule number 1 is there are some statement or words, they are used in masculine gender because they shows firmness, they shows energy, they shows strength. Okay, so the words they are included in the category of masculine if they shows firmness, they shows energy, they shows strength, because these are the virtue or attribute of a main person. Okay, ये पुरुष की जो है वो विशेषताएं होती हैं, तो बेसिकली इनको हम मस्क्यूलिन जेंडर में रखते हैं. ओके, सो आई एम राइटिंग एन एग्जांपल हियर. द सन sought his rays. Okay, here the sun is considered as a masculine gender and here we use a pronoun his for this son. Okay, so this is considered in masculine gender. Okay, so this was first example. Second one. Okay, second one we can use here. Suppose my friend is a doctor. He practice well. Okay, so here is a word my friend, and I am certain about his identity, then I am using here he. Okay, so my friend is a doctor, he practices well. मेरा जो दोस्त है वो एक डॉक्टर है और वो बहुत अच्छी प्रैक्टिस करता है. ठीक है, so I am using here he pronoun for my friend. Yes, now we come to study about feminine gender. Okay, we will study here or we will discuss here some statement they represents feminine gender, where basically we use feminine gender. जो महिलाएं होती हैं है ना, उनके लिए अगर हम बात करें, they are very gentle, they are full of beauty and gracefulness. So the words they shows the beauty, gracefulness or gentleness, we will use feminine gender. Okay, for example, the moon shed her light on the bank. है ना, देखिए यहाँ पर क्या हुआ है कि जो मून है वो अपनी लाइट कहाँ पर फैला रहा है ना, किनारे पर वो है ना सैड कर रहा है. एंड द मून इज कंसिडर्ड हियर एज अ फेमिनाइन. दिस इज हर. ओके, so we can use such type of sentences to represent feminine gender. Okay, another example we will discuss here. The ship fought her way with stormy waves. Okay, so this is again here the ship is considered as a feminine gender. Here we are using her as a pronoun for the ship. Okay, now we will discuss here about common gender. Basically I have told you so many examples. Suppose doctor, teacher, assistant, cousin. These are the words. There are so many words. I have written few words on the board here. They give you the idea how can we identify a common gender. So I will give an example. Suppose the baby was 5 years old. Okay, here we don't know about what is the gender of baby. Okay, it may be he, it may be she. Okay, in such situation we will use its to represent the baby. Okay, in the case of pronoun. So we can write here the baby was 5 years old. It has broken its leg. ओके, इसका मतलब है इट हैज ब्रोकन इट्स लेग, है ना, उसका पैर उसने टूट गया है ना, या फ्रैक्चर हो गया. इफ वी नो अबाउट द आइडेंटिटी और द about the baby, who is she? Suppose it is she, then we will use here she, and here is her. And if the baby is a boy, in that situation we will use here he, not she. Okay, and here his. So we can segregate these genders in this form. According to their gender, we will use other pronouns. They are assisting or helping to make the sentences. And in the last, we will discuss about neuter gender. Okay, what is the neuter gender? Neuter gender represents the non-living things. Okay, suppose I have a book. I have a book. It has 500 pages. Okay, so here book is a neuter gender and it uses it as a pronoun to assist itself to make the sentence. So friends, we have learned here, according to their gender, the sentences has pronouns to assist the subject or object. Okay, so in this lecture we have learned that how noun works in the case of gender. Okay, and in my next lecture we will read about the noun and the case. Okay, so up to this particular chapter we have learned about gender. Okay friends, if you like this video, please subscribe it and share your dear ones so that they may be get benefited. Thank you so much.